Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover Titan environments in your Titan account. To access your environments information, go to www.formtitan.com, log in, go to the My Account tab, and to the Environments subtab. Here, you will see information on your Titan Production and Titan Sandbox environments. If you purchase Titan Enterprise, you will get one production environment and one sandbox environment. No matter which edition of Titan you have, you can always purchase more environments if you want by contacting your Titan representative. Here, I will activate a sandbox environment. I have one production environment, Andrew in staging, listed as Salesforce production, that is already active. This is the main account. This is where I'm logged in right now. See the crown, Andrew in staging, that's the main user. I have a sandbox environment available that has not yet been activated. I will go ahead and activate it by clicking the Activate button. You will want to give your environments appropriate names that allow you to differentiate among them. Say we want to give this a different name. We just add whatever text we want. This is a sandbox environment. I'll click Next. Here, we will authenticate with Salesforce. I click the Authenticate button. I will be taken to Salesforce. From here, I will log in to the Salesforce environment that I wish to associate with this Titan environment. I'll be sent a verification email. Once we have it verified, the sandbox will be activated. And that is how it's done.